itepelang Jehova ba jwalo ka thaba Siona e re e ke kenya sisiwa e re e ke kenya sisinyeha, which means re a sisinywa mara ha re sisinyehi. Now ntho e confusang sera ko hore ha re sisinyehi. Now ke batla ka jeno re ke leeto, the book of First Kings. I want to talk under this title, there is a voice after the noise. Stay faithful, stay firm during the noise, so that you can be able to hear the voice. Because during the noise you must make wrong decisions. During the noise you must make wrong choices. Mystery kapa mystery na ke Mosotho ke a Sothofatsa. Mystery o thola mutlanyana o le ka hanong la tao. That is a mystery school. When you find a rabbit in the mouth of the lion. Now we put hore, how can the lion catch the rabbit? Because the rabbit is known for pace. But now you'll understand, the lion understands, it cannot match the rabbit with pace. Now it can mess with its thinking. Now which means into age one, now which means when the lion begins to roar, it confuses the rabbit.